Morning guys, so we are on Balangan beach and we are going to try surf for first time. We paid like 50,000 for 1 hour and let's see how we can do it. Padang beach, and this is actually behind Padang beach on the left side. So if you are coming here, go to the left side because it's more beautiful. You have like private beach. I will show you now the main part, and it's not so nice, so let's see. We are at Blue Point Bay and you can see here this beautiful beach cave, and I think it have to be very nice on the sunrise or very early with not so many people, like for example now, because I think now it's a little bit overcrowded. Later on we will go to the single fin, it's just up there. We will go to eat some coconut pudding because one of our best friends recommended this meal to us. So hello Brigitte, thank you very much and see you later. Guys, we have next beautiful day in beautiful island Bali, and today we are visiting Bukit Asak Buk. It's camping place where you can have a tent and you will pay 10,000 rupiah for the entrance. You have to pay I think also for the tents, but I'm not sure how much is it. And look at this, what we found.
It's like amazing, really beautiful viewpoint, and you can see this thing. It's like really beautiful, guys. It's like kind of the rocks, the cliffs. Oh my god. When we came here, I didn't even breathe. It's just so beautiful, really. Oh my god.
Right now we are on White Sand Beach and it's very beautiful beach. It's actually not white sand, but it's like black and white together, so it's like kind of gray. Some parts are really white, exactly in the water it's really like white, and some of the parts are really black, and it's very nice here. It's just next to the viewpoint where we've been in this camping area. We also did snorkeling, but the water is very clear, but it has many jellyfishes, but they are not dangerous, so it's very good. And you can see here many fishes, very nice fishes, some corals, also very nice. You have sometimes very big waves here, so you can get here also the massage, you can eat here, so it's very good. We just came to Blue Lagoon beach and it's very nice. It's looking very nice from up here. We have to pay parking fee 2000 rupiah for motorbike, so no entrance here, so we are going down there. We are down on Blue Lagoon beach and it's very nice here. It's not so crowded, and snorkeling here during high tide it has to be very nice, but now it's low tide, so we are not going to snorkel. We are going to meet our friends in the town, so see you in the next video.